Plaza deck waterproofing is a disaster in our industry. Most people cannot waterproof Plaza decks. It's a challenge, and it's one of the harder things to do when you're bringing in Plaza decks or below grade membrane decks, and you're putting pavers on, and you got a lot of penetrations and planter systems and stairs, and there's a barrage of problems that can go on in Plaza decks. It's extremely complex. I went to the Madison, Wisconsin Engineering School and studied Plaza decks, and I've actually done hundreds of Plaza decks successfully. I've never had a Plaza deck fail. It's only because we believe in redundancy, belt and suspenders. And rule number 1 test, rule number 2 test, and rule number 3 test. And use good membrane systems. We don't like sheet goods, although we can do them, but we want heat welded, multiple heat welded. Membrane systems should have a seamless. We like the HLM 5000 or the Tremco systems where they're 60, 80, or 120 mils thick with fabric reinforcing. It's pennies on the dollar, but our performance value on Plaza decks, 50 years. If you do a Plaza deck right, you'll never have a problem. But so many times, every month or almost every week, we have another Plaza deck failing in America. It's very frustrating because you have to do it right. But if you do it right, it'll last forever. But if you spend $100,000 on a Plaza deck and it fails, you could spend $1 million failing or fixing it. I know a Plaza deck that failed that was probably $200,000 to install. They've spent $3 million trying to fix it, especially if it's over living quarters or parking garages where there's efflorescence and stalactites and ruining paint jobs to Mercedes and BMWs. Not a good idea. Very, very important to spend your time. Commission Plaza decks. It's well worth the money.